Next piece here from 1.5, and we have a kind of an H-shaped project with an angled cut coming out. So again, we need the overall height, overall width, overall depth. So overall height 1.25, overall width 1.5, overall depth 1.25. Kind of looks like an H. We're going to cut out the bottom then. We're going to cut out the top, and then we're going to cut off the angle once we're done with the bottom and the top. So let's get right to it. Sketch, front view, draw rectangle. 1.25, 1.5. Let's just double check to make sure that was right. 1.5, 1.25. I had those numbers reversed. No big deal. 1.5, 1.25. Green check. Extrude. This. Depth 1.25. Green check. Got that part done. Let's start making the H's. The H is going to come on the side here. So I'm going to cut the bottom H out and then the top H. So this one right here, it's 0.5 to the top and then 0.25 to the bottom here. So 0.25 up, and then each width, each side is 0.25. So let's go over here, sketch on the side here. Draw a rectangle. Bring that over, start at the bottom, bring it over. 0.25. 0.25. And then last 0.25. Hit the check mark there. Extrude. Select that. It's coming out. We're going to hit remove. Instead of blind, through all, green check. Sketch, top surface. Rectangle. Dimension that. Same process. Bottom to the bottom here is 0.5. 0.25. 0.25. Green check. Extrude. Remove. Through all. Select it. Cuts it off. Done. Sketch. Side wall. Now we're on to, so we got our H done. So we got our H done over here. We just got to cut our corner off. 0.5 from the top, 1 from the back edge here. So let's go over and get that done. So drawing a sketch on the side with a line. Corner to corner. And then we're going to define that. Top edge to here. 0.5. Back at the drawing, from this front edge here to the back is 1. So I'm going to take that dimension tool. 1. This is a good idea here. Over constrain. Look at that. I accidentally went to the midpoint there. No worries. Hit the escape key, click on that midpoint constraint, and hit delete. That lets it stretch out there. Now, the only problem is when it does that, it unlocks from that line. So I got to do a coincident constraint. Put this point back on that line. Now I've got a 1. Green check. Last thing, extrude, remove. Oh, it's only going through 1. We got to go through all. Green check. Hit T to get rid of planes. Hit right click isometric to turn it on. Turn on my weight. Click on it. And it should tell me I am at a 1.094 inches cubed for the volume. Screenshot that and turn it into 1.5.